Did you know you can freeze your yam and still get perfect results when cooking? Today I am showing you one easy method we use here in Australia. There are different ways to do this. I am sharing one simple method that works perfectly. So let's start by taking the yam out of the freezer. Leave the yam out to thaw for about 2 hours or more, depending on how warm your weather is. Make sure to have a bowl of water beside you so you can place the yam in right after peeling. This helps prevent it from changing color. I know some of you might be wondering why we freeze our yam. Well, here in Australia, we can only buy yam once a year, so we buy in bulk and share it. Freezing it is one simple method we use to keep it fresh until the next season. And whenever we are ready to cook it, it still comes out just as good as fresh yam. After peeling your yam, wash it properly and transfer it into a pot. Pour in hot boiling water. Guys, make sure to use boiling water. It helps it to heat up faster and cooks evenly. If you use cold water, it could become mushy on the outside but hard inside. As soon as it starts boiling, add your salt. Cover and allow it to cook until it's nice and soft. After 20 minutes, the yam is ready. Drain out the water, then set it aside. Now you see this method works perfectly. Fresh or frozen, you can't tell the difference. Share your method in the comments so others can learn. And don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. It might be helpful to them. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment. If you have any question, just leave them below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. See you again in my next video, guys. Bye.